Hey, I'm gonna make a video,
Hey,
but just like have to get stuff on.
hey, hey, stop! What does Destiny have? Riley has, oh, Mackenzie has garbage.
Is it full?
Nope. Nice.
Okay. Oh my god, I look like a demon! I'm sorry, you saw a demon. I mean. So, we're gonna attempt play with my dog. The ball. Play with the ball, my dog. That's not funny! Might not hit you because stupid train is going by my house, but no. Train. Like, train moment. Machine. I was like, sorry, I'm dancing. Hey, give me that ball! Here's the ball. Hope you can hear me, but I'm using this to throw the ball. She's scared and scared. Ready for it. I took out the ball. Head. B or B. Okay, so hey. Yeah, you can see that. So you put the ball in this spot.
That's what you want to do. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. Your love is too high. Bring me down. Can't none bring me down. I said, bring me down.
I'm gonna go get the ball. I'm sorry, I'm
Your
embarrassed.
love is too high. Bring me down.
Sorry.
Bring me down. I said, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you feel
I'm gonna be doing this behind you.
clap along if you
I hope
that's
it doesn't like go.
you feel like a room
I'm nervous.
clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
Move it up. But I don't know what it is, but yeah, but my dog's like barking at someone. I don't know who. Okay, how? I'm sorry, it's like kissing. Oh my god! I'm gonna make it behind you. Okay? I don't know if alright, I'm gonna throw it behind you. Sky! Sorry, my dear Sky. That was a dog. That dog doesn't like to bite. That dog. Grizzly! Dog right there. Poking at me! We're gonna get teach you. So, we'll go there. So we're gonna get big time. Hope this goes great. Comment over here so you might not see me. She's like, oh, she stole it! She stole it, guys! Like, no, she totally stole it. BRB. Hey! Get the ball back! Hey! Sky? Drop! So this is my mixed dog with this. Yeah. So this is Sky, everyone. My dog and another YouTuber, Nathan Keegan's dog. And I think she still has a YouTube account, Destiny Malbrick. This is our dog. Oh yeah! And hope you like this. It's my dog. I know you can't see like all of it, but she's super wild. This is Sky, my second dog. Missy. That's Missy. Missy, come here. Come on. Come on. Now come here. This is Sky, everyone. That's Sky. Missy. Guess I have to get her. And this is Missy. By the way, there's like a little spot there jumping off too. That's the thing I was on. But I feel bad for making them jump off there and go, called me. Like, no! I'll fall today for them. Wait, did you hear me the whole time? Cat! Where's the cat? There's a cat nearby. Way over there. Way over there. The house. The house though! Like nobody's movies at my dogs. So it looks like you're painting. It looks like a background. How that light turns out? It's not. So I keep on going inside, but peace out, subscribe if you're not. It says every single video, but it's right there. But I want you guys to know I love people in. My dog is taking the weirdest poop ever. She was going like this, and she was like, "Don't do enough." See, I'm famous. My own YouTube. Often girls doing her makeup in the car. Yeah, I was famous until it was my own YouTube video. By the way, I do have a YouTube channel. I have no friends. Well, bye. And I wanted to say this one more time. This one dude, I'm gonna say his name, Jade. If you watch my videos, please, sorry for mentioning your name, But I want to know why were you dating me? Like, do something. Do you have Facebook? On me? And subscribe to your girlfriend. If you don't, I'm actually gonna cry if you don't. Oh, look like I'm wearing makeup. I can't because I was like crying today in the office. I'm happy, but I want to know my boyfriend. He likes me. So, bye, subscribe. That is my song. Not your people's, but peace. See you next time with some new stuff with Kenzie. I'll try to walk through the door. Like, you understand. So, how are you doing? Hey, bestie, how are you doing?
Going supper?
What are we having for supper?
Spaghetti!
Spaghetti what?
Spaghetti?
Why are you eating the food?
I think there's lots there for just you two.
Hey guys, so that was my best friend. What are you looking for?
The strainer.
Is that what I was talking about before?
Where is it?
Is it the thing like you drain the
Yeah,
water?
the big gray thing.
No, it's up here. Because I can't find it.
It's right behind that set.
I don't know where it's at. But
Nathan!
bye.